Mgdesyan, Tory Lanez's former trial lawyer, exclusively informs Page 6 that he was not dismissed and that the choice to withdraw from his client's appeal was mutual. "I wasn't let go, I still get along with them," the California-based lawyer continues. "I spoke with Tory's father. I wanted to make extremely clear because I know there are people who are publishing stuff that are untrue. So I went and saw Tory." Mgdesyan adds that he did not resign either. In order to be clear, he and Lanez, 30, simply agreed that since he doesn't do appeals, it would be preferable for the Canadian rapper to employ an appeals lawyer. "You have to have a transcript reader in your office if you're an appeals lawyer, and I'm not one of those lawyers." Mgdesyan claims that even though he is no longer representing Lanez directly, he is still part of the case, since he is still giving advice to Lanez's new legal team. "I'm just not going to be doing the day-to-day," he explains, "so it's not like I'm washing my hands, and we're not part of the team anymore. The choice was taken to hire someone who works with the appeals attorney, but I'm still looking at what I can do to assist the defense," the speaker said. Jose Baez, who famously and effectively represented Casey Anthony in the murder trial for her 3-year-old daughter, was the newest member of Lanez's squad this week. The accomplished attorney told TMZ on Tuesday that he regretted not having stepped in sooner to defend Lanez and that he believed there had been some procedural irregularities throughout the trial. According to Mgdesyan, an appeal lawyer's responsibility is to hunt for trial errors so that their client might be retried. According to him, the district attorney should have focused on the case's evidence rather than manipulating the jurors' emotions, as he claims in an interview with Page 6. During the trial, the defense maintained that Harris, not their client Lanez, was the shooter. These accusations have been refuted by Harris, who has called them ludicrous. According to Mgdesyan, the fact that the jury pondered for 2 days suggests there was something there. There was reasonable doubt. Additionally, he claims that the district attorney has no explanation for why an independent witness saw 2 females fighting, Kelsey running to a car to retrieve something, and then saw a muzzle flare. "No one is even talking about these facts. No one deserves to be shot, but we're not debating whether she was shot or not," the trial attorney continues. Who shot her was at issue. Their closing argument and the rebuttal, again, was all about how this has been awful for Megan the last 2 years. "It just played to the emotions about why black women don't come forward," the witness said of the prosecution's approach. "It doesn't explain what transpired that day, why she waited, who she left with, why she lied about who drove her, why she wanted to return, why she was angry with Tory for staying at Kylie Jenner house, or why she lied about Tory getting out of the car and shooting at her when an unbiased witness saw the 2 girls fighting." Simply put, there are numerous problems here. In addition to what transpired in court, the case received significant attention in the media and on social media from the court of popular opinion. A phone conversation from jail in which Lanez could be overheard apologizing to Harris marked a turning point for those who had previously backed him, including 50 Cent. The Say It singer was heard saying, "What happened occurred. I can't take it back, but I'm simply saying I'm sorry, I guess." Mgdesyan, however, asserts that he clarified throughout the trial the reason Lanez expressed regret and that it was unrelated to the incident. Mgdesyan continues, "Tory isn't foolish to call on a jail call and apologize for a shooting. I understand that the apology may be interpreted as an admission of guilt. The phrase 'it's being recorded' is present. He was excellent." The trial lawyer concluded of his former client, "He's a lovely guy and a devout Christian who strongly believed in his innocence, but the judgment was sad. I have nothing negative to say about Tory personally." Lanez and Harris were contacted by Page 6 for comment, but no response was received in time for publication.